Damn! What happened?
I'm stuck.
You're real stuck. He real stuck. All right, let's go. We'll take out. We'll see y'all later. But guess what? You get to stick your hand down there in the mud and connect it.
Get the mud over your boots. Lay on the back of your four-wheeler.
Woo! I didn't make you. I bet you can make it. Just don't just don't let off. Jace is over here thinking he's got a Honda. The free spool does not work on this, right? It does?
Reach it.
Where the fuck is it?
Right there. And it barely turns. And then it's free.
So make sure I don't pull it all up. I turned it this towards the front. Towards the front. Yeah, I think it was towards the front. Shit, I don't remember now. You got me second guessing myself.
Fucking hard to pull, ain't it? It's geared so low.
There you go, buddy. You still got plenty of rope in there? You good?
I can't see. Well, easy.
Hold on. Just a little bit more, like another 2 feet. That not enough? So close.
I'm stuck.
You're stuck?
Yeah.
Nice. Still good. You're good. All right, go ahead, buddy. What happened?
I'm stuck. I'm done. I need your help, Carlos. My shoes are done. Dad, help us! I'm stuck. Under here. I got it.
Try to get back in the bike. Try to step back that way. Otherwise, you're not. Try to lift yourself up with the rack. Almost like do it, yeah. Try to like push yourself up and get out. No bueno?
Click it, but the spool ain't moving.
Did you put it, and you put it back, right?
I don't hear the motor moving.
Now I need help. No, we both do.
Try to pull this rope. Pull the rope. Pull the rope. Pull yourself out with the rope.
I'm not. I'm sinking farther.
You gotta keep pulling, buddy. I'm gonna get in there and sink too. He is, but we're trying to get them out.
I'm knees deep in mud. Carlos, I'm stuck.
Keep pulling. I'm gonna let you pull. I'm just gonna hold on to you. You pull yourself out, okay? You having fun yet?
I got my poop. Pat this down right here. Whoa!
There you go. Get on your hands and knees and crawl out. That's gonna be the best way. Got it? You got it? You're free almost. Keep going. Keep going. Push. 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 Pull. There it is. It's about there. It's about there. One more good one. One more good one. Yeah. You might have to crawl out. They're stuck. You good? Try to crawl out this way. There you go. You got it?
Oh crap! This looks my thigh.
Try to go backwards. Like try to lean your way. Basically, what you want to do is like move your leg back and forward. Try to open it up. Yeah, like all the way around, kind of like all the way side to side, front, back, and everything. looks like you're moving kind of slow. You're getting out slowly-ish. She's getting there slowly. There you go. You're kind of getting it. Oh yeah, there's a boot in there somewhere.
That's my thigh.
Are you on your knees right now?
No, my foot is all the way down.
She,
Right now?
on her right side.
Oh my.
Yeah.
Yeah. I was up to here, Dad.
Here. Can you pull yourself out with this rope? Use this rope to try to pull yourself out. Pull this way.
Yeah,
No, not happening?
Please stop, Dad.
Let me get over there. I'll get over there, Carl. I'm gonna get out on the tire and try to pull her out that way.
You gotta come help me.
I'm gonna try to. I'll probably get stuck too.
Oh, God.
Will the boot come out now?
All right, hold on 1 second. Okay. Oh shit. Well, that's no good.
Whoa.
Damn.
I just stepped in the floorboard. What the hell?
Hey, Carlos.
What the heck?
I don't even climb up on that side.
Here, you try to.
Pull. Ow. Pull. Trying to get the bottom of
Keep digging. If you can push, if you can.
Quicksand.
I don't really know what I can do to help. Careful, buddy. It's just sinking.
Let him. Oh, stand over here.
Oh shoot! Hold on. I'm going down now.
I'm digging.
Reach up under that arm. Ready, lock your arms.
You ready?
Pull it out. Oh shit, I'm going down.
Okay, get out. Use my shoulder to push.
It's alright.
Use my shoulder to push yourself out if you need to.
My right boot's sinking now.
Just lean up. Just push up on me.
Fuck, dude. I'm fixing to be stuck bad.
Now just lean on me. Just do what you gotta do to pull yourself out. You mean to pull you? Oh, that leg's stuck now too.
It's stuck. I'm not gonna sink anymore.
Use wire.
You're gonna have to crawl out.
Hey, this is stuck.
Yeah, it's stuck. Did you get a picture? Hold on, Boop.
Pull that knee.
Yeah. You ready?
Yeah, pull.
Oh, you stuck, Carl.
1, 2, 3.
Dad's almost out. He's
There
out.
you go. You're gonna have to crawl. Can you get on your knees and crawl out like that way?
Get on top of my forehead.
You basically almost gotta basically distribute all your weight out as much as you can.
You gotta twist your leg. Like a heel toe.
Good.
You lose the boot, don't worry about it.
I'll fill it out.
I got stuck in this for like 3 hours once. There you go. You almost got it.
You got it.
Boot and everything.
Hey, hold on. I'm grabbing it. Freeze.
Now get him out.
Oh, you.
I'll lose my knees.
Pull us out, Debbie.
Holy shit. You all right? I got stuck like that for 2 or 3 hours one time.
Oh, that's tough.
And the whole time I was just trying to dig myself out. It's terrible.
I'm pacing in mud. That's not mud, guys.
Y'all got in reverse? Carl, you're in reverse? And watch y'all's helmets too so they don't pop in the mud.
As we get out, hey, as soon as we get to that ridge, I'm gonna get off.
Watch so.
Don't dig.
You're digging down?
Pull forward and jerk it.
I think we need to unhook it, pull you up here and just use the back winch and
Pull forward a little bit.
pull forward some.
You're gonna disconnect it.
I'll disconnect it. I'll get it. That's fine. There you go, buddy. You want me to get you out on this? Oh, you got to get it out. That's right. Yeah. You have to. It doesn't winch in. You'll have to wrap it up some, Jace. Yeah, back. You're gonna back up to right up here, and then we're gonna use your rear winch. You need help getting it off? Y'all pull her boot off. Pull the heel out first.
Don't touch the toe. Pull the heel.
You get it? No? Let me see. Here. Okay, hold on to her, Jason. So, like, get back there and hold her arms. You ready? Go. There we go. One, you need the other one off?
Can I take mine off?
Go at an angle right here.
Yeah. Yeah, almost as parallel with this as you can, kind of. Like right, yeah. No big deal. Coming back right there. That's good. Yeah, that's good right there. Those freaking Polaris guys, I'm telling you.
Are you supposed to keep it covered up?
Just, well, I think he was just doing it just to keep the birds and stuff from pooping on it. Here, Jace. Did it turn off? I think, give it some gas, yeah. You ready? Keep giving it some gas. Pull it away. Okay. You want to drive forward? Or what? Okay. Give it some gas. Full forward. All right. Woo! Oh, that was a terrible idea. In there? Just because of how thick it was?
Yeah,
Okay.
We got this in there, we never get it out.
Oh yeah. That thing was,
What did that stall the motor?
yeah. I saw the voltage down to 10 volts. Are they biting you? Look at that big ass mosquito right there. Or something. Oh, got it. So, Ryan, you ready for another 2 days of that? We got to be careful, buddy. We're all Polarises out here. There's no Hondas out here. We're all gonna start dropping like flies. We don't have our rescue bike to get us back to camp. Oh, faithful, you know.